Hi everyone, I am Venugopal. I am the landscape architect of the project. Today I am here to take you all on a journey through the landscape experience of this project. When I saw the land parcel for the first time, it was very exciting to see the existing mahogany trees which has grown very tall and sprawled across the site. It was like living in the forest which is very close to the city. The builder was very specific about retaining these existing trees which you see at the site right now. He also has briefed us to integrate these trees as a major component in the design element. My visualization after receiving the builder's brief was to create a quality outdoor environment by utilizing the existing vegetation at site. My message to the buyers is to save the beautiful environment of this project which has been created for them. We have integrated the architectural footprint of the building and the existing vegetation as the major component of our design evolution. For example, we can see in certain streets, lake as one parameter and small hillocks or rocky terrain as one parameter. So similar like that, we are having these mahogany trees as a parameter for our design evolution. The central spine was aimed to have a leisure outdoor environment with a multiple outdoor activities supported by a tropical natural settings. After having a intensive interactive section between the architects, clients and other consultants, the projects took approximately around 3 months duration to finish the scheme. The engineering and detailing of the landscape elements has been transformed accurately as per the design and detail. For example, the paving mosaics, the fabrication works of the pavilion, the site furnitures and the planting installation has been executed accurately. Also, we are happy to see the people getting engaged to the design spaces. The main challenge was how to integrate these existing trees what you could see at the site as a component in landscape. As you could see, the trees were around 15 feet by 15 feet approximately. It was quite challenging for us to integrate this with respect to the human movement access and for the optimum utilization of spaces for the landscape activities. As I told before, these tree grids were quite challenging for us. We took advantage of this tree grid as a model for our design parameters. Based on this, we have categorized the overall central spine into different categories for landscape activities. For example, yoga deck, reading court, chatting court, exercise station and amphitheater, the place where I am sitting currently now. It was an amazing experience working with Mana, as we have been given free hand to explore our designs. At the same time, more concern about delivering quality works. It's an amazing experience working in this project, Mana Tropical. Once again, thank you.